Today we're making carrot and beet slaw. Let's go.
For this recipe, we'll be using garlic, raisins, vinegar, carrots, beets, parsley, mint, lemon juice, red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil, and pistachios. If using pistachios, roast those first. Next, we'll crush our garlic by chopping them finely and using the flat side of our knife to turn it into a paste. Grab a bowl and combine garlic, vinegar, and raisins, and let that sit for an hour. Now it's time to julienne your veggies and cut them into little strips. In your bowl that's been sitting for an hour, combine the rest of your ingredients. Add pistachios and mix everything together. Pair with whatever meal you have in mind and enjoy.